Case name Sriram, age is 25 years. Today date is 22nd of August 2024 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. So why you came here? I want speech sample before treatment.
Okay. Basically my voice is getting low. I have to be more confident.
So when you talk on the phone, what happened?
Sometimes calling, identify the madams, someone calls, someone times.
Post-therapy video of Sriram, and today date is 29th of August 2024. I want speech sample after treatment. What problem you had and how to feel after treatment?
Yeah, before I have very low voice to come, and now after therapy I am very happy to this voice come, and thank you for Sanjay sir.
On which date you came here for voice therapy?
22nd
of August 2024.
August 2024.
And which date is today?
Today 29th August 2024.
And when you are calling to your friends and relatives on the phone call first time after treatment, what reaction got? Just exactly tell in their words.
Okay. I calling my family members. They didn't recognize me who are talking, not you. Then show me I proved the live video call, some WhatsApp, so they can recognize it is so nice to your voice is very good, now better.
Okay, and what about the friends?
Friends was somebody still not you are talking, you are someone, your phone is hacked, something.
So how you gave the proof?
Same and my way of style and talking and remembering some old things. They can recognize me.
Now, what is your mother tongue?
Mother tongue was Telugu.
Can you tell in Telugu what was the problem and why you came here and how do you feel after treatment?
Okay.
If you have taken any treatment earlier, that also you can tell if you have.
నేను ముందు ఏం ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకోలేదు, ఇదే ఇక్కడ బెంగళూరు ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చాను. సో నాకు ముందు చాలా స్లో వాయిస్ వచ్చేది, వెరీ లో కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఉండేది నాకు.
It was like a childish or girlish voice?
చైల్డిష్ వాయిస్. అండ్ నౌ ఆఫ్టర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇట్స్ వెరీ చేంజెస్ ఇన్ మై వాయిస్. అండ్ సేమ్ మీకు ఎటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటే సో యూ కెన్ విజిట్ ఇన్ ది బెంగళూరు.
Okay, thanks for recommending our center. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for the permission. Thank you so much for watching.